and welcome back to another Parts Factory Australia installation tutorial video. Guys, I'm working on this smashed up Hyundai i30, specifically the 2012 to 2017 model. We're going to be swapping out the exterior door handle. Now, just before we get started, I have a button type here. You might have the keyless entry button type. You might just have the regular old pull type. This video is going to work for both because the handle comes out and you unplug the plug. So I'm going to show you how to do both versions of this job. Other than that, guys, if you do need this part, don't forget the keyless entry version. I think it's $73.30. Non-keyless entry without the button, $43.30 on the website. Click the title. Description will pop down. Order it, get it in your hand, then track back. Come and watch this video. I'll show you how to fit it. Save yourself some money, and once you realize how much money we've saved you, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Alrighty, let's jump into it. Alright, so good thing about these later model Hyundais is you no longer have to pull the door card off to access the area. The good thing is right here, you've got this black plastic clap, then you look in there and you got a 10 mil. And once you get to that 10 mil, half the job's actually already done. So grab a nice 10 mil on a wrench, put your little black cap somewhere safe because it keeps the moisture out. We're going to grab a 10 mil socket and we'll see you in a second. Alright, so we're back at the car now. I'm going to undo this 10 mil. Usually this would be good to do with two hands because as you undo the 10 mil, this plastic cap here will pop out. And as soon as that pops out, then the job is pretty much complete. But the good thing about these handles, I believe these bolts cannot actually come out. They got this little plastic surround which stops them from popping out entirely, which means you can kind of get it to its limit and you can kind of grab the door handle. And again, it's going to be easier with two hands. You grab the door handle and you kind of wiggle the black or this white rather plastic out. Yeah, as I said, because there's not much to grip, I'm not going to be able to really grab it like that. Can you come in from the back? No, yes, it's just two hands, guys. I'm going to just put the phone down, but as you can see, you kind of pull that out and then wiggle it out. I'll do that for a second. So I ended up using my little Phillips flathead rather, and I popped it out like that, and then I put my flathead here and I twisted it and it popped it out. So you can put that down somewhere to the side and you grab your door handle, pull it backwards and bring it straight out like this. Now, if you have the electronic type, the wire will pull out like this. Disconnect the wire. Hey guys, so if you've got the chrome version handle, which is like typically your upper class models or whatever you like to call it, they're going to be chrome. They're also going to have that little keyless entry sensor inside of them and that button. And then the regular sort of base model is going to be, it's going to be keyless entry less. So we should now be able to grab this door handle. I'm just going to obviously do this for the video's sake, and then we'd plug that in if required. But other than that, you should just be able to tuck it in like so, sliding it forward like that. Let me just have a look back there. Yeah, so you see that little white tab in there? We have to make sure that it kind of slots into that. Now you should be able to do it. Let me just put the phone down, but you should be able to push real hard that direction and then slide it to the left and it'll grab it. But let me just double check. Yeah guys, so what I did is I put the door as far away as I can get it that direction. And then I've got it to the point where it'll unlock and lock. And then I didn't bring the little cut with me this weekend, guys, but you can just, once again, you need to pull the door handle out. I can't do it with, pull the door handle out and take them in together, etc. And then once you've got them in together like that, sorry about my grubby hands. Obviously, you put the bolt in on this side and then you get your functioning door handle back. So, as I said, you got it into position. Now you kind of do need to make sure that this piece here is pushed right in as you twist that 10 mil. Again, it's going to be hard for me with one hand, so I'll do it and I'll see you in a second. Alrighty guys, so once you've done up that 10 mil, it'll then therefore be time to grab your black plastic clap, and then that's it. Now usually I would test this out, but I can't because this door doesn't shut. But other than that, guys, that's how you do it. Alrighty guys, I know it's been a quick and easy job today, but that is ultimately a good thing for you. Everything would have gone smoothly. Hopefully you got your part, chucked it in, tested it, everything's working. But other than that, guys, thanks for watching another Parts Factory Australia installation tutorial video. My name's Lucas, I'll see you next time.